In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Keep into a productivity app 2026, step by step. We'll turn the simple notes tool you already have into a focused, fast system for getting work done. You can follow along on the web or the mobile app. The features are the same in all the right places. Start by creating a clean structure with labels. Open Google Keep, click the menu icon, and choose Create New Label. Add just a handful of categories you'll actually use, like clients, content ideas, urgent, finance, personal, and follow-ups. Keep labels short and avoid over-labeling. Too many labels can slow you down. The goal is quick filtering so you always know where a note belongs and how to find it later. Next, make your notes actionable with checklists. Create a new note and tap the checkbox icon to switch to a list. Add one clear task per line, like edit YouTube video, schedule a Facebook post, reply to a client email, or follow up on an insurance lead. As you work, tick items off to create momentum and drag tasks up or down to prioritize. Short, verb-first lines make it obvious what to do next. Add visual clarity by color-coding notes. Use background colors to signal priority at a glance. Green for income-generating tasks, red for urgent items, blue for admin work, and yellow for content. Pick the color palette icon on each note to assign it. This small habit speeds up scanning and decision-making when your board gets busy. Turn notes into commitments with reminders. Open a note, tap the Remind Me bell, and set a date and time. You can also set location-based reminders, and they'll sync across your devices. This is where Keep starts acting like a lightweight task manager. Great for deadlines, calls, and time-sensitive follow-ups. Pin your daily priorities so they never get buried. Use the pin icon for your top 3 tasks, your weekly goals, or key revenue targets. Pinned notes stay at the top, so you're always greeted by what matters most. Keep this area tight to maintain focus. Build a simple, daily system with a reusable note. Create a note titled Daily Focus, today's date. Add sections for top 3 priorities, secondary tasks, follow-ups, and end-of-day wins. Duplicate this template every morning, then review and capture wins at the end of the day to reinforce progress. Finally, connect Keep with other Google apps. Reminders appear in Google Calendar. You can send notes straight to Google Docs for longer writing, and you can turn important emails into notes from Gmail. Keeping everything in one ecosystem reduces friction and saves time. That's it. Simple, clear, and powerful. Set up your labels, lists, colors, reminders.